it's Chelsea here at Messermeister Gather Kitchen to bring you happy hour. We wanted to do something that represented Cinco de Mayo Day, but instead of just doing a margarita, we wanted to do the original 1930s Tequila Sunrise. And I love Creme de Cassis, so why not try? Creme de Cassis, half an ounce. Creme de Cassis is a black currant liqueur. 2 ounces Reposado Tequila. And I think I say that like an Italian. Grenadine, half an ounce. Ooh. Lime, 3/4 ounce. Hey, check it out. Red handles on sale for Mother's Day. My fooser, I love my fooser. Dash of bitters. Let's not fuck it up. Dash of club soda. Okay. I really need to step up my garnish game. The original Tequila Sunrise. No orange juice. This is important. Oh, that's good. It's like orange juice, but not orange juice. A little bit sweet, but it's beautiful. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you next week. Bye.